Ninjani bahlobo bam. Niziva njani namhlanje. Hi my friends, how are you guys feeling today? Ndithemba ukuba niyaphila. I hope you guys are well. In this practice video, we're going to look at the future tense, which is very easy to form in Xhosa and very practical. And then some of the other important verbs we had in the lesson. So, to start, we will do the future tense for some of the verbs we already know. Ndizothetha, I will speak. Ndizohamba, I will go. Uzofunda, you will learn. So you're just adding zo in between the person and the verb stem. Uzobuya nini, when will you come back? Uzohamba nini, when will you go? Then the verbs we had in this lesson for the first time. Ukuqala. Ukuqala is to start. So you could say ndiqala ukufunda isiXhosa. I am starting to learn Xhosa. Or ndiqale ukufunda isiXhosa. I started to learn Xhosa. Ndizoqala ukuthetha isiXhosa. I will start to speak Xhosa. Uzoqala ukuthetha kamsinyane. You will start to speak soon. Another useful verb we had in this lesson, ukuzama. Zama is to try. You could maybe remember that with the mnemonic. You are going to try and pass that exam. Zam, 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 zam. So, ndiyazama, I am trying. Uyazama, yes, you are trying. Andizami, I am not trying. Awuzami, you are not trying. Sizozama, we will try. So you could say, for instance, that you're learning Xhosa and that you are trying. I would say, ndisafunda isiXhosa, I am still learning Xhosa. Ndiyazama, I am trying. Or you could even say, ndizama noko, which is hard to translate in English, but it's like the Afrikaans, ek probeer maar, that maar. Ndizama noko. What the Swiss bus system looks like. And then another verb we had was bukela. Buka, bukela, similar verbs. It's very common for verbs to have a simple form and then a form with ela at the end, both meaning to watch. So if you're going to watch something like TV, ukubukela i-TV, or you could say, instead of TV, you could say umabona kude. Umabona kude is the traditional Xhosa word for TV, and it literally means to see far. Bona kude. So namhlanje sibukela i-TV, or namhlanje sibukela umabona kude. Umabona kude. Let me get those vowels right. Ngomso sizobukela umabonakude. Tomorrow we will watch TV. Or ngokuhlwa sizobukela movie. In the evening we will watch a movie. Ubukela ntoni namhlanje. What are you watching today? Na ndizobukela iqakamba. I'm going to watch the cricket. Iqakamba. Ngomso ndizobukela intenetya. Tomorrow I will watch tennis. Uthanda ukubukela umbhoxo? Do you like to watch rugby? asithandi ukubukela umboqo. We don't like asithandi ukubukela, to watch umboqo rugby. That's it for this practice, and yeah, have fun using these new useful verbs and keep practicing.